Amanda Pakyntein, the NPP woman candidate from Pakyntein, has vowed to raise the issue of returning lower primary school education to the autonomous district councils if elected. Speaking after filing her nomination, Pakyntein, a teacher by profession, questioned why the state education department took over LP school management from the district councils. Additionally, she pledged to advocate for legislation empowering Khadc tribal women through the district councils. Pakyntein, wife of sitting NPP MLA Bantaidor Lingdo, expressed her commitment to strengthening the district councils to protect the interests of indigenous tribes.
Asynya iki kun ki haja jangka mo konstitusi ki bala asynya yang abai bapai ba ni la the ka jing e jaki kada ngala confident bai ki mat ningkong e ba kumba i la asynya i bapai ki roi kapal lagi la the i bapai ki mo kono constituency mangarunan vote kita ki dinjet ba kamtamai ban pensa ya ka riti gestur kecongi
dan kecing kerman kalau sekam halor ki kam ki jam halor kecing ya nanti jongi ban syakri pajba ta ka de ki ke ba ni kum kayeng ngasam bat ki nong kersan ki ba ye kersan yang nak koi kapor bat mentaru so long confident na long mangin poi yang sekatau.
Two candidates from the Bharatiya Janata Party